Welcome, friends, to the Royal Gold Vault. This isn't just any showroom, it's a sanctuary where only the most exclusive, the most breathtaking, and the rarest cars on the planet are allowed to shine. Today, we have the distinct honor of unveiling a true masterpiece, a vehicle that redefines automotive artistry. I'm talking about the all-new yellow Phantom Sport, a one-of-a-kind luxury model meticulously crafted to captivate and stun the world. This is more than a car, it's a statement, a legend in the making, and you're here for its global debut. Prepare to be mesmerized. From the very front, the yellow Phantom Sport commands your undivided attention. Its presence is magnetic, dominated by a wide, sculpted grille that looks like it was carved from a single block of precious metal. Flanking this centerpiece are the laser-cut LED signature lights, sharp and intelligent, giving the car a focused, predatory gaze. And the paint, it's not just yellow. It's a liquid gold metallic finish that seems to flow over the car's every curve, absorbing and reflecting light in a dance of pure opulence. Every single detail, from the precise fitment of the panels to the subtle chrome accents, screams exclusivity. This isn't just a design, it's a declaration of prestige. Now, let your eyes trace the side profile. What you're seeing is a perfect harmony of art and engineering. It's a flowing, aerodynamic sculpture that masterfully blends the soft, elegant curves of classic luxury with the taut, sharp lines of modern sports car precision. The shoulder line is razor sharp, cutting through the air with purpose, while the lower bodywork swoops gracefully towards the rear. The reflections on this glossy yellow paint are unreal, creating a mirror-like effect that showcases the black chrome accents around the windows and side skirts. This profile isn't just designed to be beautiful, it's engineered to be efficient, proving that true luxury never has to compromise on performance. Its elegance in motion, even when standing still. Of course, a masterpiece is only as strong as its foundation. Let's look closer at the wheels, the very contact points with the road. These aren't off-the-shelf rims. The custom multi-spoke wheels were designed exclusively for this very model, forged from a lightweight yet incredibly strong alloy. Their intricate design is both a visual delight and a performance advantage, reducing unsprung weight for a more responsive ride. And peering through the spokes, you'll notice the golden brake calipers, a subtle but powerful hint at the immense stopping power they command. It's pure performance style, a perfect fusion of form and function that grounds the car's extravagant design with real-world capability. As the car turns, we arrive at the rear, the final signature that will be burned into the memory of anyone lucky enough to see it drive away. The design here is clean, futuristic, and utterly unmistakable. A seamless, full-width LED light bar stretches across the tail, creating a singular, unbroken ribbon of light that gives the car a powerful visual identity, especially at night. Just above it, a floating spoiler appears to hover over the bodywork, an element of active aerodynamics that adds a touch of sporty aggression to the otherwise elegant rear fascia. The twin exhaust ports are integrated flawlessly into the sporty diffuser below. This is a rear view that no other car on the road can even hope to imitate. Let's step inside, because the cabin of the yellow Phantom Sport is not just a space, it's an experience. The doors open with a satisfying weight, revealing an interior sanctuary crafted for pure sensory indulgence. Your hands immediately want to touch the soft, diamond-stitched leather that adorns the seats, the doors, and the dashboard. The ambient lighting is fully customizable, currently set to a warm yellow glow that bathes the cabin in a serene, luxurious light. Look up, and a panoramic glass roof connects you to the world outside while insulating you in complete comfort. The cockpit is designed around the driver, a perfect blend of ergonomic perfection and aesthetic beauty, creating an environment that feels both commanding and incredibly relaxing. Now, let's talk technology. The futuristic cockpit is your command center. In front of you, a floating digital dashboard displays all critical information on a crystal clear, configurable screen. To your right, a massive, high-definition touchscreen interface seems to rise organically from the center console, giving you intuitive control over navigation, climate, and vehicle settings. Every tap and swipe is met with instant, fluid response. And the audio? A state-of-the-art surround sound system with speakers seamlessly integrated into the cabin architecture turns every drive into a private concert. This is technology that doesn't just assist you, it enhances your entire journey, making every moment behind the wheel an event to be savored. But what about the heart of this machine? Under the hood lies the soul of the yellow Phantom Sport, a marvel of refined power. We're not talking about raw, brutish force. This is a powertrain engineered for smooth, silent, and instantly responsive delivery. It's an engine that whispers at a cruise, offering a ride so serene, you feel like you're gliding on air. Yet, with a gentle press of the accelerator, it awakens, delivering a surge of acceleration that is both thrilling and effortlessly controlled. Whether you're navigating city streets or opening it up on the highway, the yellow Phantom Sport delivers a perfect, unshakable balance of comfort and dynamic performance. Imagine it in motion, even as a simulation within this high-tech showroom. Its elegance is simply unmatched. The car glides with a quiet confidence, its advanced suspension system ironing out any imagined imperfections in the road. As virtual light tunnels and reflections run along its glistening yellow body, you can appreciate the sheer stability and grace of its movement. This is a vehicle that combines the plush, isolating comfort of a limousine with the agile, responsive handling of a grand tourer. It moves seamlessly, a testament to the thousands of hours of engineering dedicated to perfecting the driving experience. It doesn't just drive, it flows. And so, we arrive at the final, definitive look. The yellow Phantom Sport, showcased on a rotating gold platform, a true hero shot. It is rare. It is bold. It is absolutely iconic. This is more than just a car. It's a symbol of pure, unadulterated luxury. It's an automotive masterpiece designed for the discerning few who don't just follow trends, but set them. It's a machine built for those who demand something truly, unequivocally unique. This is the pinnacle of personal expression on four wheels. The yellow Phantom Sport has arrived. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible reveal. If you were as captivated as we were, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive content, and let us know in the comments what you think of this rolling piece of art. See you in the next one.